Obstacles can make even the simplest of tasks difficult, whether it's a physical barrier, a chemical barrier, or the removal of something that is required. Obstacles can be put in the way of almost anything, whether it's a person climbing a rock wall or a virus infecting a cell. HIV infects roughly 35 million people worldwide, with over 3 million deaths annually. It is a deadly virus that infects your immune cells, eventually leading to AIDS, a state where your immune system can no longer function properly. HIV infects immune cells first by attaching to primary receptors and then secondary. This then allows HIV to fuse to and then enter the cell membrane. Fuse to the cell membrane and then enter that cell and cause infection. While most rock climbing is fairly achievable, if you were to remove the grips, it would become nearly impossible. Similarly, removing the receptors that HIV needs to attach to, or preventing it from fusing to the cell membrane, would make HIV infection of immune cells nearly impossible. In my PhD research, I'm testing to see how effective two genes are at preventing HIV from entering immune cells. The first gene downregulates the expression of the secondary receptor, preventing HIV from attaching to the cell surface. The second gene prevents HIV from fusing to the cell membrane, preventing it from entering and then infecting the cell. In my work, I deliver these genes into the cells so that they can provide protection. I do this by using a modified virus to infect the cells and then enable the expression of these genes. Interestingly, what we have found is that the use of both genes together results in uniformly better outcomes than either gene alone. While each gene had varying efficacy against the different strains of HIV, the combination of the two always provided the best results. So by using these genes together, we've obtained all of their strengths and none of their weaknesses. With this information, we hope to gain a better understanding of HIV and develop new and effective ways to treat it. And maybe just make it too difficult for HIV to get a grip on our immune system.